How to use Gmail 2018. Set Gmail as your email handler. This video shows how to set Gmail as your email handler. After setting the Gmail handler, most emails sent from web pages open in any installed browser will be composed using the Gmail Compose page in the Chrome browser, and they will appear on your Gmail page with the label Sent Mail. This clip shows how to open the playlist for a video, but please note the clip was prepared for a different video. The steps are the same for the video you are watching. This video is in a playlist. You should watch the videos in order from the playlist. To open the playlist, hover over the video window and click the circled eye in the upper right corner. Then click the playlist pop-up. Notes: you must have the Chrome browser installed to use Gmail as your email handler, but you can then send emails from any browser. The Windows File Explorer and some websites do not use the handler for sending emails. Here's how to set your email handler to Gmail. Click the Windows logo, click Settings, click Apps, click Default Apps. Under Email, if it's not already set to Gmail, click it, and then select Google Chrome for Gmail. That should set it for both the Internet Explorer and the Edge browser because they use the Windows default. To verify that it's set in the other browsers, open the Chrome browser and go to the Gmail page. If there is a double diamond at the end of the address line, you do not have Gmail set as your email handler. And to set it, all you do is you click the double diamond and allow mail.google.com to open all email links and say allow and then say done. And that has set it for Chrome. And that double diamond has now disappeared to show that Gmail is your email handler. And you can go ahead and check the Firefox browser also. Open the browser settings, click the symbol in the upper right corner, click Options, scroll down, opposite Mail to, verify that it says use Gmail. If you wanted to set it to something else, you can check here and change it so that if you have a web page open in the Firefox browser, it will use whatever you specify as the email handler. Leave it set to Gmail. That way all your emails that you send from any website with any browser will go through Gmail and it will show up in your sent mail folder in Gmail. Thanks for watching this Tom's Tech Notes video. If you liked this video, please click like. There are 250 videos on the channel. Please click subscribe and select notifications to receive an email when I add videos to the channel. To visit the channel, search for TOMSTDA.